All right, what's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to answer a ton of questions that I keep getting, and it's all on, hey, where do I start if I want to get into trading? If I want to get into trading, a lot of people are saying this. The first thing you need to start with is the mindset, and the mindset is that if you're getting into trading, if you say you want to get into trading, be prepared to potentially, most likely, 99.9% of people to continue to lose for 4 to 5 years. So you're gonna have to put 4 to 5 years in before you can kind of master it. It's kind of like a doctorate degree. You're gonna have to become a professional at the game, and it takes a lot of time on the charts. So it's kind of like football players too. How we got to study plays every single day, study the plays in order to defeat the team. It's like being the coach. It's like being the coach. Like higher than the quarterback, the coach. You got to know everything. So be prepared for that, number one. Number two, where I would start personally, I like to read books. I don't like to watch all these YouTube people who talk BS. There are some good YouTubers out there, but you're going to spend a lot of time kind of sifting through a lot of trash. So it's going to be kind of hard to find, but you can go on YouTube and you can look up, oh, well, what is a stock, or where do I start? The easiest way to get into this is just to read and to get it on your own, in my opinion. And then the application part, then you can start looking at YouTube videos for people who are looking like they're putting on trades and kind of learn it that way. But let me just go to the book that I would read, number one, okay? Because this is where I started as well. So I would recommend reading this book, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. And the reason is it literally tells you, hey, what is this? Like if you don't know what the heck a stock is or how stocks work, it tells you what a stock is, what companies are, like how they work with companies, what shares are, what fundamental analysis is, technical analysis, and it breaks it down so easy for you, so easy, and explains how markets move. So I would start here. Number two, I would then go to, I would literally go to my YouTube, and I break it down from A through Z. I have a trading crash course video that tells you everything that you would read in these books. It's all in one place. So it tells you what a stock is, and then it go all the way through what options are, and then how to pick stocks, what stocks to look at, volume, how to read a chart. Everything is in this crash course that I have on my YouTube plays, or YouTube page. So if you go to my YouTube page, go to the playlist, it's right there. So that is another thing I would recommend. And then number three, once you get into trading a little bit, you want to get a little bit more proficient, I would read this book here, Reading Price Charts Bar by Bar. And it's the technical analysis of price action for serious traders. So once you get a little bit more serious, it tells you how to read the charts and how to predict where price is going to go. Okay, where price is going to go. So I would do a combination of those things. And then number three, after you read that book, after you go through my course, I would start finding like-minded individuals who are serious about trading, because most people I meet, and most people in general, most retail traders are going to fail, and a lot of people are just kind of looking for the money. So if you're just looking for the money, I recommend getting 1 to 2 extra jobs. I always say this because you're going to be better off, if you want money right now, getting an extra job or a side gig or something. This is something like trading is going to take you quite a while, so you better have a job already, and you better be serious about, like, oh, I like finance. Oh, I like looking at charts. I like fundamental analysis. I like options, derivatives. I like to learn, and I like to take time. I'm patient. So if you're none of those things, I'm not saying don't do it, but I'm saying you're going to have a very hard time. You're going to have a very, very hard time. So just understand that up front. But I'll try to find a community of like-minded individuals who are pretty serious about it and who are on that same path. And also try to find a mentor. That'd be one of the top things to do. After you go through, you watch my videos, you read that Random Walk Down Wall Street, you read that Al Brooks book, find a mentor. Because what do mentors do? They collapse time. Okay? And people forget this. People are always like, oh, well, let me join this Discord, or let me watch these videos. Well, you're going to waste a lot of time trying to figure out what to do. If you just find a mentor, even just pay for a mentor if you know that this person is reputable. Don't just go pay for anything like a Discord or anything. Find out about the person, or get to know the person, maybe have conversations, ask questions, but figure out who would be a good mentor for you, or reach out to others and say, hey, can I be your mentor? Can you be my mentor? Can we go out for lunch? I want to pick your brain. Things like that. But get a mentor, because mentors collapse time. What do I mean by that? They have all this knowledge and all these trials and tribulations, years and years of stuff they went through. And if they just tell you, hey, I went through this, don't do this, just do this, then you literally just time traveled 10 years into the future of trials and tribulations, and you have all that information right now. So that's one thing that a lot of people don't say is they're like, oh, well, where would you get started? Oh, well, watch these YouTube videos and watch ICT, SMC, and watch this guy and this guy. Hey, man, skip all that. Go find you a mentor, someone who's already successful. You could even DM some of the bigger names, Mark Minervini, Sadi Mahajan. You could DM some of the bigger names and just see if they would give you the time of day to collapse time, okay? Otherwise, you're going to be on this 4 to 5 year path of failure, success, failure, 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 success, failure, failure, until you actually get it right. So, I would recommend a mentor. I recommend going through my YouTube page, reading that book, A Random Walk Down Wall Street, and that's just where to get started. Then you have to identify your goals. In terms of trading, what are your goals? Okay, and once you figure out your goals, you could then determine how you're going to be trading. Are you going to be trading? Are you going to be trading options, futures, equity derivatives? Are you going to be long-term holding, swinging, day trading, scalping? You'll understand and learn your styles. And then you just start rocking from there. You start rocking. But where do you start? Hey, read that book, A Random Walk Down Wall Street, because you probably don't even know what a stock is or how they work. Go through my YouTube videos. I promise you, it is the most concise, put together series of videos on A through Z. Literally, I've never seen anyone do anything like that where it's like, oh, okay, this is what a stock is. This is how you read the chart. This is why you want to invest. This is how you make money. This is day trading, swing trading. This is what a company is. No, nobody else has this. So just go through those videos if you're serious. If you're not serious, you're not going to do it. And there's your answer. Do you like trading? Probably not. But yeah, that's my recommendation. Also find a mentor. Do your thing. Anyways, it's Mr. Fit to Flourish. Hope you learned something in this one. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, YouTube-y stuff, and y'all have a good one. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.